One of the highest paying jobs in the world right now is virtual jobs, and the good thing about it is that you can do it at the comfort of your home or office, even with your smartphone. So in today's video, I will show you these 3 websites that will pay you $10 to $20 per hour working remotely from your home. The good thing about it also is that it is worldwide. Whether you are a tech personnel or a marketer or writer or content creator, even graphic designer and mass communicator, there is an opportunity for you. All you need to do is to try out these 3 websites. They even employ people that are customer care support, like being a help desk administrator or an assistant. You can find job there. So welcome to my channel. I am Emmanuel PST Enet. If today is your first time coming to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of the community. So right now, number 1 website that will pay you $10 to $20 per hour working remotely is Pangian.com. Number 2, DynamiteJobs.com. Number 3, RemoteForMe.com. These 3 websites are websites that are working and they are very active. If you look at the chart or the website, you will see current jobs. Even today's jobs are there. So go there right now, sign up and begin to showcase your skill. Through this place, you will get a better job or better remote job for yourself. So please, if you try it and anyone that is working for you, drop it in the comment section and let us know the one that is working for you and the one that is not working. So I will see you in my next video. But wait a minute. Before you apply for these jobs, make sure you have your resume ready. If you don't know how to prepare your resume, in my next video, I'm going to show you the website you can use to generate a professional resume that will help you secure this job easily. So make sure you stick to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you and see you on the other side. If you love this video or you find it helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.